Hi everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a tutorial on Synthesia AI, and essentially I'm going to be breaking down everything you need to know about this tool, what exactly is it, some of its core features, and how you can get started with Synthesia in order to generate your first AI video. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So starting with, what exactly is Synthesia? And essentially it's an AI-powered video production powerhouse that can let you churn out videos in over 120 languages. With Synthesia, you can save tons of time and effort while still creating professional, high-quality video content. And we're talking about a web-based application that's accessible right in your browser with an intuitive, user-friendly interface. And what are some of the core features? Well, Synthesia lets you edit your videos anytime you want, giving you complete control over the final product. And if you need to localize your videos for different markets or audiences, then no problem. Synthesia has you covered with support for over 120 languages and accents. From training videos and how-to guides to marketing promos and virtual assistant avatars, the possibilities with Synthesia are virtually endless. You no longer need to hire any actors or spend hours in front of the camera yourself, just let the AI do the work. So enough talking about Synthesia, let's dive right into how we can actually get started with it. And the first step would be obviously to create a free account. It's very easy and straightforward, no credit card required. Just click on the create a free AI video button and you will be on your way. Once you're in, Synthesia will prompt you to select a video template. They've got a lot of options like how-to videos or marketing promos, but for this example, I'm going to go with a simple how-to template. And then from there, you will be able to edit and customize your video script right into the platform. Synthesia makes it clear that any hate speech, explicit or discriminatory content is absolute no-go, which is excellent. For our test video, I'm going to replace the default script with something like this. And then after entering your name, email, and a few other quick details, simply hit the generate free video, and Synthesia will start working its own magic behind the scenes. The platform will let you know that your brand new AI generated video will be emailed to you in just a few minutes. And while I'm waiting on it, let's take a quick peek at Synthesia's pricing plans to see if this is something that could work long term for your business. So for individual and smaller teams, you've got the starter plan, which goes for $29 per month when billed monthly, or you can save 25% if you want to be billed yearly. Within this plan, you would get one editor and 3 guests, 10 minutes of video per month, and 70 plus AI avatars. Again, you would have features such as 120 plus languages and voices, AI video assistant, and built-in screen recorder for your videos. When upgrading to different tiers, you would mostly notice that you would have more access to AI avatars. So from the starter to the creator one, you would get access to even more, so up to 20 AI avatars, and of course minutes of videos per month, so it goes from 10 minutes to 30 to unlimited minutes of videos when you have signed up for the enterprise plan. So if you need more robust enterprise level features, Synthesia does offer a corporate pricing too. You would just have to get in touch with their team to discuss the details and pricing for your specific needs. One thing that really stands out about Synthesia is their perspective on the old way versus the new AI way of video creation. And they make an excellent point here. The traditional processes of filming, hiring actors, and handling all the production yourself is just too time consuming and costly. With Synthesia's artificial intelligence approach, you can streamline the entire video creation workflow down to just minutes. Honestly, it seems like an absolute game changer for the video production world. And now let's log into the Synthesia Studio platform and take a look at the video we generated earlier. So from here, I can either just watch it directly in the studio or fully activate my Synthesia account to start really enjoying the application's full capabilities. But for the sake of this demo, I'm just going to move forward and log into the main Synthesia platform.
Hi, I'm Carly. I'm an AI avatar created entirely by artificial intelligence. You too can create a video like this with just a few clicks. Try it out for yourself today.
And as you can see, the video is definitely impressive. So whether I need a quick promo clip, a conversational avatar video, or an eye-catching sales pitch, Synthesia has templates tailored for every type of video under the sun. And as you can notice, the audio and video quality, even for the free account without a plan, are actually stunning. And with that, I want to finally discuss when to use Synthesia and when you shouldn't. So don't get me wrong, I'm not saying Synthesia will be the perfect solution for every single video need out there. If you're going for a very personal, human-connected style of content where you want to show your face and build a more intimate relationship with your audience, then you will probably still want to stick to the traditional video creation. But for the professional use cases, training videos or courses, corporate communications, promos or ads, then Synthesia and such tools are a true game changer. The time and money it could save video teams is mind-boggling. And there you have it, that will be a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.